Like I said yesterday, my brother's graduation party thingy is today. About 2.5 hours, I think, until that. So we are just working to clean. 5 minutes until it like officially starts, but only 2 parties are coming for sure. One of which is already here, my aunt. I don't know if I've introduced her, but there are some other people that are maybes. I've been told I need to taste test on the vlog this birthday cake flavored soda. It's not alcoholic. I'm not being illegal. Okay. It's not bad. It's just who thinks of soda and thinks to make it birthday cake.
I think it's okay.
There you go.
Enjoying yourself. That was a very boring party, but anyway, on to the next adventure. I don't even know what to do with my hair. It was my grandparents' 50th wedding anniversary on Friday. So we're taking a cruise dinner on this old-fashioned boat here. And yeah. They got an entire floor, I think.
There are
Now I think it's all of them left.
Look how much makeup there is on Mom.
Don't mention my hair because I don't care. But this party thingy is basically a bunch of my grandparents' old high school friends. So there's no one else the age of my siblings and I, which is okay, but people of that age can be exhausting in conversation. We'll see how this goes. How long does this last?
2 hours.
2 hours? 2 hour cruise. Haven't even left yet. Easton, which one's the salad fork?
Let me see.
No, which one? Just which one?
Wait, are they this? No, wait.
Which one's the salad fork?
They're the same thing.
Which one's the salad fork?
This one's the salad fork.
Okay, thank you. It is so windy. I am praying that my pod does not fall. It is bouncing like crazy. I was just at the upper deck and I was walking around these people to go get a shot, okay? And then I noticed like the guy had pulled down his mask, and then I looked back and he was proposing, so great for them. It's excellent weather for a cruise. It's now sideways raining and the wind is insane, but I'm standing out here.
This is insane. This is
It is, and I'm holding down the tripod to make sure it doesn't flow over. Thank you. 2 hour boat cruise thing. Well, more than that, like 2.5 hour boat cruise thing is over. Roll the final time lapse here. Home now, and I have a theology assignment that's due tomorrow at 8. It's already so late. I got most editing done, but anyway. Time lapse to dark.